Visit at Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa with friends. Hello viewers, you are watching our YouTube channel Kool&hothub. Driving on the Sheikh Zayed Road. Now, we are going to cross Dubai downtown in front of the Burj Khalifa. After few seconds we are enter inside the Dubai Mall. Now, we are inside the Dubai Mall. Let's walk together to see the beauty of that. Dubai Mall, ice rink. One such exciting recreational facility in the impressive mall is the magnificent Dubai ice rink. With a 1.5-inch thick Olympic-sized ice rink, it is the best place to ice skate in Dubai and an ideal spot to beat the summer heat. If you are a fan of the lithe, elegant sport, head to the Dubai ice rink, slide across the floors and learn more about ice skating in one of Dubai's favorite family-friendly attractions. Dubai Mall, ice rink. Now we are going to eat food at Al Baik. There are many restaurants, but today we're trying to eat Al Baik for the first time. We received the order. Now have to eat. It looks like delicious and yummy. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Want to explore one of the largest and most stunning aquariums in the world? 10 million litre tank at the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, which contains more than 33,000 aquatic animals and the largest collection of sand tiger sharks anywhere. Which measures 52 meters in length, 20 meters in width, and 11 meters in height, and is one of the largest suspended aquariums on the planet. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Whilst the city of Dubai is bereft of any natural waterfalls, when people refer to the Dubai waterfall or the human waterfall, they are most likely referring to the prominent water feature inside the Dubai Mall. Man-made cascade in a soaring atrium, dotted with diving figures depicting Dubai's pearl fishermen. Now, we are going to outside to see the Burj Khalifa from the front of the top area. The Burj Khalifa is a skyscraper in Dubai. It is known for being the world's tallest building. With a total height of 829.8 meters or just over half a mile. Dubai Fountain Show is a startling and elegant show. A captivating water, music and light spectacle in downtown Dubai. The Dubai Fountain is the world's tallest performing fountain. The Dubai Fountain can spray 22,000 gallons of water in the air at any moment. More than 6,600 lights and 25 color projectors have been installed. The fountain contains 5 circles of different sizes and 2 arcs. During the end of 2010, a new element was added to the fountain, fire, which outlined the fountains. The fire was temporary for the 2011 New Year's celebration. The Dubai Fountains project water in the air in many different combinations and patterns. The beam of light from the fountain can be seen from over 20 miles away. Dubai, Sheikh Zayed Road has an amazing view on the building with the different colors of the lights. Thanks, watching the videos. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to receive the new videos on time. YouTube, Cool&hothub.